All right, good morning. Back from Arizona. Made it in yesterday, right before this big glob of round 2 snow came into the Oklahoma area. Got about 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches last night, and probably a good another 2 to 3 to go. Look at this radar right here. Got a big swath coming up my way, right where the blue dot is. So let me show you what it looks like. First things first, I parked this at the airport garage. 4-wheel drive works freaking awesome on this truck. Tires, all that. Hot tub, 104. So let's take a look back here. This is what it looks like in Oklahoma. More Oklahoma. Looks more like Michigan, Canada. Crazy. Look at the snow on top of the trash can right there. Yikes. And I want to get the solar panels brushed off here, but it might be futile. I got my shovel out of the attic. I've got the batteries at about 80% right now, and I want to use the solar panels to top them up. I'm storing, anticipating rolling blackouts probably today, what they're saying on the news here. Let me show you. That's a water main breaks. I mean, it's just bad juju here in Oklahoma. It's kind of funny, and I just kind of thank the good Lord above I grew up in Michigan. This is kind of a natural know how to survive winter mode going on here, so she's looking good. All right, more later, guys. All right, this is what the backyard / patio looks like. Let me show you something right over here. See that little stand right there? That's probably a good 14 inches of snow on that right there. See there? Dummy me never drained the blow 'em up adult-sized kiddie pool. That's frozen solid, by the way. Look at all the snow on the panels over there. This is freaking nuts. There, drift right over there. Looks like my Battleborn battery is still on. Right over there. I don't know what the voltage says. Dude, Jesus, it's like a foot of freaking snow back here. 12.7. Wow. Still coming down, too. Look at this. God damn, that's a lot of snow. Yeehaw. Never know what you're going to get in Oklahoma.